Hello, everybody. Hi to all. Good. Have a good time, everyone. So this is my entry to Kronos giveaway in channel of Sandman. So I write. If I write right, this is good. If not, so I need to change something. And I write in a video no, about what this video to. I understand we need. Uh, okay, I know what we need. If will some mistakes, so we make this. We change something. We try to make everything normal. Okay, this is Vachette. Log from just a moment. Log from friends assembly group and was looking like break, but this was from so Vachette or Vachette. I don't know how to say right. I know this like Vachette. Oh, this is nice for me for my. I listen Vachette more good. So this is high of pins. First five very low, second, third, four very high, and this lock have good manufacturing, and this is a not so friendly lock, not very friendly, and sometime he love to take time and this lock every time not different picking but very many surprise out, and this lock not have mushrooms, nothing, just cutting around K pins. I show how this looking, this part not short long like here, so K pins. I believe this how I say, because this Vachette I not got. I have another old more modification, and but all problem what have this lock and old this is this point of this brand. So okay, my English so nice. More good. I just pick and that's all. No, this is mistake. I'm sorry. I use here another tension. Here I not use not multi-pick, not nothing. Okay. Or we have one way. This is will best tension. Or this, or from up point. Maybe I try to pick him this way. Five ask and very low pin. Just a moment. Nice. Five on the place. And now asking first. Okay. Now hook go out. One hook. I have what change him because this level now I can't to move my body. Nice. X-Men, you see how your hook enter in Vachette pins. This I say to lock picker who make this hook. This is very strong hook. No, very good. But if was shot from now, so was more no, I was more use him, but I don't want to change nothing. I understand this was good, but this was good. Second, third, ask, and 4, 5, 4. Third ask. Nice. Okay, we open. Yes, I feel nice. So multi-pick. Multi-pick was maybe this looking easy lock to open, but this not easy lock to open. And this help very much. So we need to turn this. Maybe I got him. Just a moment. I out him. So I understand. I understand how many time. 8 minutes. 8 minutes. If I put pause, this is okay. No, because I don't know how to get this lock. I see here this part what I need to. And I close him. I need once again to. Okay, not need, not today. If somebody want picking and cutting of this lock, I ready to make this. In comments, please, welcome. So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time, everyone, and good luck. Thank you, Sandman, for your Chronos giveaway. Bye bye.